Alright! So today mga master, papanoorin natin yung concert ng isa sa mga pinakamalulupit na collabs ng mga master natin na mahalimano na si Master Jake. At may concert siya sa Boston. And suddenly nakadalo ang ating mahalima sa kanyang concert, sa kanilang collaboration dun sa Golden Hour remix na kanta nito ni Master Jake, no? So today papanoorin natin yung yung concert nila dun sa Boston, no? At kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong extrang device para matry natin tong quality na to, kung goods, no? At thank you pala sa nagpahiram sa akin nito. At kung may mabuting loob dyan na gusto mag-donate ng ng extrang device na hindi naman ginagamit sa mga bahay nyo, diba, yung mga malalapit dyan, o mag-donate kayo sa channel natin by PayPal, or nandiyan yung PayPal natin, master, kung trip nyo. Shoutouts din pala kay Ninang Rowena, alam mo na. Yeah, JBL from you, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Padaanin na natin yan, men. So this is Golden Hour remix by Jake with SB19 and in Boston concert, no? So man, this is really true, this is happening right now. So let's start.
An idea, since we do have a special guest, or
Very
should I say, special guests here
Woo!
tonight, and they did a remix to this song. So how about we do it again, but with a remix? Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, so be on the lookout about halfway through the song. Get ready, all right? Let's try it
Apaka-pogi
again.
nito ni
Here we go.
pare, no? Ang pogi, pre.
Here we go.
Ang haba ng ilong, eh, no? So live na ginagawa yung instrumentals. Putik talaga, pang galing.
Sing it out. It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to the blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling
Men,
super
dang,
child.
dang. Naririnig mo ba yung crowd? Kasi ako rinig ko yung mga tao, pre. They sing along. Grabe, napakalupit, no? Napaka goosebumps yun kung ikaw yung mismong ikaw yung gumawa at kumakanta nitong kanta na ginawa mo, tapos kumakanta sabay yung mga nanonood, pre. This is awesome, pre. Tsaka napakalupit ng instrumentals niya dito, live. Pati yung vocals niya napakaangas, which has no auto-tune. Pansin ko talagang raw vocals yung gamit niya dito. Nabalik natin nang ma-appreciate natin ng mabuti.
Sing it out. It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to the blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin. In the night, I don't need no light to see you shine.
Wait lang. Napakaganda, no? I have to say this. Nabubulan ako. Ang ganda nung ano dito, para yung production ng lighting nung sa Shine. Narinig mo yun? Tapos yung mga lighting sa taas gumaganong gano'n. Napakagandang tignan, pero tignan mo to. Yan, no? The lighting, sobrang ganda ng boses, man. Grabe, pre, ang linis. Tapos pa. Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yun? Brace yourself, pre. Hindi ko pa. Huh! Kasi ang ganda ng kantang to, eh. Pagising sa umaga. Yun ba yun? Yun ba yung ano? Man, calm down, bro. Shit. This is gonna be... Man, kalma.
This is ang umaga. Gusto na makita. Marunong kumanta pero para sa kanya.
Teka lang, bakit pa parang nasa tono tong aking gitara. Gusto ko lang naman sabihin na mahal na mahalin ka.
Yung ganda.
Woo! Ang ganda ng boses nila dito, no? Kaso, pre, narinig mo ba yung low notes ni Kendon? Ang lakas, pre. Ang bigat nun, pre. Ang ganwit, ha?
Gusto ko lang naman sabihin na mahal na mahalin ka.
Yung ganda. Di magwawakas, tila parirala.
Wow! Ganda ng boses si Justin dito.
Ano pa nga bang masasabi ko?
Oh, man. I like that. Grabe yung boses ni Justin sa sakay sa kanta na to. Really good. Napakaganda. Napakaganda nung solidity ng boses ni Justin sa kanta, pre. Napaka-vibey. Napakalupit nun. Napakagaling.
Sana di ka mawalay sa'kin ang aking sinta.
Here we go.
I don't need no light, just need you shine. It's your golden hour.
Man, wow, pre. This is so magical, bruh. Everything here is magical. The voice, the people, pati yung Cebu Pacific na yan. Ayop ka, sinira mo yung moment. Bro, this is so magical. Kita mo yung mahalima, si Jake, yung kumakanta yung audience, yung stage, everything is so magical. This is a rare moment. Yun yung masasabi ko, pre, na kinikilabutan ako, pinapanood ko lang, men. The F, bro. I'm so proud right now sa ating mahalima. Man. The F. The F talaga, man, napakalupit. No, balik natin ng ma-appreciate natin ng malupit.
You shine. It's your golden hour.
Woo!
You slow down time in your golden
Pablo!
19, everybody.
Man! What's not to love? What's not to love about this? Ha? Ano yung Tagalog na lang, no? Kasi mahirap English na. Ano yung hindi mo magugustuhan sa SB19? Tell me. Ha? And I'm gonna ask you, what the fuck's your problem? What kind of brain you have? Pero that's your opinion. I don't fucking care. We don't fucking need you. Pero man, this is perfect, bro. What's wrong with you, man? This is shit. Padaanin na natin yung eroplano. This is awesome. This is just fucking amazing, bro. Ang kulit.
Congratulations, Jay. Congratulations.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Man, great music. Beautiful fucking faces. Handsome guys. Very, very, very handsome guys. Amazing fan base. Definitely, for me, no? Definitely, the best fan base there is. Ha? Medyo kapantay sila sa fanbase ng Easy Meal. Diba? Siyempre, Easy Mealers din tayo dito, Brad, no? So, napakaganda. Bukod dun, amazing character. Yun. Kasi, don't get me wrong, no? Out of all honesty, madaming magaling. Hindi naman yun yung hindi lang yun yung dahilan kung bakit I've stayed here in this shit. Ba? Hindi yung dahilan. Oo, aminin ko, nagustuhan ko yung kanta nila. Man, I am what the fuck is that? I am ano ba yung ano ka? I am guilty na nagustuhan ko yung SB19 dahil sa galing nila. At first, go up, that shit, bro. That's amazing. That's awesome, by the way. Happy 5th anniversary pala, Go Up, no? Napakalupit, man. That's magical. Out of a tweet, bro. Out of a fucking tweet, and we're here now. So, that's definitely amazing. Pero yung, my point here is, man, everyone can sing, everyone can be amazing, everyone has talent. Pero hindi lahat merong character. Kagaya ng SB19. Kita mo yan? What they did in that concert. Yung the way they talk, the way they move, the way they perform. Yung character talaga nila, men. Hindi yan nasa lahat. And that's the reason why I love these boys, because they're true, they're real. Sabi nga ni Easy Meal, superly real. So tuloy natin, Brad.
Make some noise for SB19. Come on, everybody.
Woo! Wow! What the fuck?
Thank you, Jake. These are the boys, man. These guys are amazing. Give it up one more time for SB19. Thank you, Jake. I love you guys. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. I was thinking,
Mabait, man.
and can you guys help me with this? I was thinking, let's take a group photo right now. How does that sound? All right, here we go. Let's get over here, boys.
Sali tayo kunwari.
I need you guys. Everybody
Man,
get your lights out right now. Get your lights
panood
out.
nito, sino yung babae?
Show us where you at. All right, here we go.
Where you at? Shout out, bro. Where you at?
1, 2, 3.
Diba? Fans lang ng SB9, 18 lang yung
Amazing.
sisigaw.
Thank you.
Sisigaw sa isang
Make some noise.
picture.
I love
Kasi,
you. I love
kasi
you.
hindi naman kami makapost, no? Kasali sa inyo kasi madilim sa part namin. Sisigaw na lang kami. The fuck, man? That's 18 for y'all.
Man, love you guys.
Naka Freddy Krueger dito si Josh.
Give it up, guys. Give it up. I love them. They're amazing.
Naka ano pala sila no? Naka Christmas theme. So that was SB19 and Jake for y'all. And that was that's so wholesome, that's so magical for me, and man, I can't imagine na andun ako kasi masyado akong sensitive sa mga gantong shit. I'm emotional sa mga ganyang shit, kaya pag nakita nyo ako sa mga concert na ganyan, syempre libre nyo yun kasi wala akong pera, no? Pero pag nakita nyo ko pre sa mga vibe na hindi, kumanta yung ano ng Crimson, lumayo-layo kayo pag nagkaano tayo sa concert kasi baka ganun wild ako pre sa ganyan because I enjoy that shit. Tsaka sa mga ganyan naman na mga kanta yung mga medyo sad, alam mo yon, mga mana, you know. Don't come near me, bro. And please bring an extra handkerchief sa inyo, mga panyo nyo dyan, kasi I'm super emotional sa mga ganyan. Kasi nga, I appreciate artistry. Pero hindi ko na-appreciate yung Cebu Pacific, I appreciate real artistry. I appreciate writing. Yung, siyempre sinusulat nila yung mga songs na yan, kaya I know that what they feel is what they write. Kaya pag medyo masakit yung kanta, I really do feel it, you know. Kasi I also write songs, man. Kaya alam ko yung pakiramdam na nilalabas mo yung pakiramdam mo. Kaya man, kagaya niyan, yung feeling pa lang ng tono, yung nagsasabayan tayong kumanta, kunwari nasa concert, no. I can't di ko kakayanin, pre. Kaya lumayo-layo kayo sa concert sa akin. Kasi baliw akong nilalang pa nandun tayo, man. So, that was it. That was amazing. I hope you like this setup. And if you want to help the channel more para ma-achieve natin tong isang gadget pa, no, mag-donate kayo mga master. Kasi that would really help the channel. Maraming salamat mga master. This has been Curbs PH and you, yes, you are amazing.